Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic comparing fractions. Comparing fractions, in these fractions we have to compare the fractions. For comparing fractions we use the symbols like this, yes or no? Greater than, less than and equal signs. These three signs we use for comparing the fractions. So before starting the comparing the fractions, we should know the rules how to compare the fractions. Rule number 1. Numerator and denominator are same. If you see the fractions, if the numerator and denominators are same, then you have to put the sign equal sign. For example, 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6. See, the numerator is 3 and here also the numerator is 3. Here the denominator is 6, the denominator is 6. See the rule number 1, numerator and denominator both are same. Can you see both are same? Yes, both are same. That time you will put the sign equal sign. Understood? Now see the problem set 19. In the first sum is there 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Problem set 19 first sum. See the numerators are same. Can you see? 3 upon 7, 3 upon 6. Both the numerator and denominator are same. Then you will put the sign equal. So all of you understood how to compare the numbers. Numerator and denominators are same. Then you have to put the sign equal sign. Okay. Now see the rule number 2. Both denominators are like fractions. If both the denominators are like fractions, then we should see the numerator with greater number. That fraction is the greater fraction. See the example. 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5. See, both denominators are like fractions. See, both the denominators are like fractions. If both the denominators are like, both the denominators are same, then we have to see the numerator. Then we should see the numerator. We should see the numerator with greater number. With greater number. Which number is greater? This number is greater. So, this number is greater. So, which sign you will put? So, this is a greater fraction. If both the denominators are same, we should see the numerator with greater number. Greater number is 3. 1 is smaller number. So, 3 upon 5 is the greater fraction. Now, see the problem set 19, example number 2. Example number 2. 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. If both the denominators are like fractions, see both the denominators are same, both the denominators are like fraction, then what you will see? You will see the numerator with greater number. Which number is greater? In numerator 3 is greater. So this is the greater fraction. Understood? Rule number 1, rule number 2. There are 4 rules. Rule number 1, rule number 2. Rule number 1, numerator and denominators are same. See, both the numerators and denominators are same. So you will put this sign, equal sign. Second rule number you will see if both the denominators are same, then you will see the numerator. Numerator is greater, so that fraction is greater fraction. If numerator is greater, that fraction is greater fractions. Now students, I will say you the rule number 3. Now students, see the rule number 3. For comparing fractions, there are 4 rules. Rule number 1, both numerators and denominators are equal. We have to put the equal signs. And rule number 2, if both the denominators are equal, then we should see the numerator with greater number. Now the rule number 3, if both fractions with equal numerator, can you see equal numerator? 5 here also and 5 here also. Both are equal. Both are equal numerators. Then what we have to see? We should see the denominators with smaller number. Which number is smaller? If both the numerators are equal, then what we have to see? We should see the denominator. We should see the denominator. 8 and 9 both are denominator, but denominator with smaller number. Which number is small? 8 or 9? 8 number is smaller or 9 number is smaller? 8 number is smaller. So pi upon 8 is the bigger fraction. Okay. Now see the second example. 4 upon 7, 4 upon 11. If both fractions with equal numerator, see 4 here and 4 here also, both are equal. Then what you will see? The denominators with smaller number. Which number is small? 7 number is smaller, 11 number is smaller, 7 number is smaller. So 7 number is smaller. So what you will do? This is the greater fraction. Yes, 10 upon 11 and 10 upon 13. Both the numerators are equal. Then which number is smaller? 11 number is smaller. So this one is 10 upon 11 is the greater fraction. So students, all of you understood the rule number 3. Rule number 3 is both the fraction. See, both the fractions with equal numerator, 5 and 5, both are same. Yes, so then you have to see the denominators. If both the numerators are same, then you will see the denominators with smaller number. Smaller number is 8. So this sign is there. Pi upon 8 is a bigger fraction. Okay students, now we are going to learn rule number 4. Okay students? Students, now we are going to learn rule number 4. Last rule is that both fractions are unlike fractions. See, 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. All the numbers are different. Here 5, here 6, here 1 and here. These are called as unlike fraction. Then we should do cross multiply. What we should do? We should do cross multiply. If both fractions are unlike fractions, if both fractions are unlike fractions, then what you will do? You will cross multiply. How you will do the cross multiply? 5 multiply by 8. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. You will write here. And 6 1s are 6. Okay. So 40 is greater or 6 number is greater? 40 is greater. So 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 8. Understood? Now here also 5 upon 18 and 1 upon 9. All numbers are different. So this fraction is called as a unlike fraction. So what you will do? If both are unlike fraction, you will cross multiply. 5 9s are 45. 18 1s are 18. Which number is greater here? 45. So 5 upon 18. 5 upon 18 is greater fraction than 1 upon 9. Understood all of you? You have to cross. First you will start with numerator, then denominator. Numerator First we have to start with numerator. 5 8s are, then denominator 6 1s are. 5 8s are 40, 6 1s are 6. Then you have to see which number is greater. This number is greater 40. So this first fraction is greater fraction. Okay. Now 5 upon 18 and 1 upon 9. Start the cross multiply with numerators and 5 9s are 45. 18 1s are 18. So which number is greater? 45. So 5 upon 18 is a greater fraction than 1 upon 9. So students, all of you understood rule number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to see the all rules and you have to compare the numbers. So students, solve the problem set 19 from your textbook. Thank you all of you.